Hey guys, it's Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, and today's video is a long-awaited review of some equipment that Voip Supply was gracious enough to send us for free to do a review on. What they sent me is, well, you know what? I'm not going to tell you guys what it is until I show you. But before we get into that, Voip Supply, you guys know, they're one of our biggest sponsors, and we are one of their biggest cheerleaders in the YouTube space. They are any and everything that you need, voice over IP hardware, IP phones, accessories, webcams, headsets. The list goes on and on and on. Anything that's VoIP hardware, voice over IP Supply has got your back. So if you're interested in VoIP Supply's products, more information, who they are, below this video will be a direct link to their website, as well as the surprise equipment that I'm going to show you guys in this video. I'm also going to put down there a 5% off coupon code on anything that you shop on the site. If you chat with them online on their website, or you talk with them over the phone, be sure to tell them that you found out about them through Prince Rich or Prince Rich at Rich Technology Group sent you. So without further ado, let me show you guys what we're going to review today. So we have here, you guys, a webcam. A full HD 1080p webcam. Now, you're probably thinking, oh, Prince, that's not too special. Why a webcam? And first of all, what's that got to do with voice over IP? First of all, it's no secret to anybody that with everything going on in current events, social distancing, working from home, being able to meet with people without meeting face-to-face all the time, video conferencing has become the new big thing. Now, for people like me, I've been video conferencing for years, but I was a rarity, Things like webcams and stuff like that, you could readily find available on, Amazon, on Voip Supply, anywhere at a decent price, but more importantly, in plentiful supply. Now, with everything that has gone on with the pandemic and just the entire world needing to get their hands on a decent quality video camera to be able to meet with people, these things have become almost as rare as finding gold nuggets in the desert. And when you do find a webcam, they're ungodly overpriced. For example, for those of you who are not aware of this particular model, this is a webcam that I have personally had that I've used for the business. If you frequent my YouTube channel, my original videos that were not that great, we used this, the Logitech C920. This is a legendary webcam, but it's old, it's outdated. Even though it is legendary in its class and it is one of the better webcams out there, you can't find this anymore. And when you do find this thing, it costs about $150 to, I've seen it as high as $275. I paid $37 with free shipping from Amazon for this approximately 6 years ago. So to put it into perspective, this thing, when you can find it, which is almost never, it's $150 to $250. So what is the purpose of reviewing this today? Voip Supply in all their wisdom realized, okay, we're a voice over IP and communications company. Communication is also video conferencing. Nobody can find webcams at a decent price anywhere online, so why don't we go and have one manufactured that's branded to us and sell it at a really good price? This doodad, you guys, the VS 1080p from Voip Supply, this is a full HD 1080p webcam compatible with Windows, Mac OS. It even works on Chromebook because I've tested it out. But it's about 50 bucks, really. This thing, depending on which day you catch it on their website, it ranges from about $49.99 to the highest I've ever seen it is $57. Unbeatable price. You can't find webcams for that price, let alone them be 1080p. So let's do a really quick, kind of look at on this thing and see what this thing is all about. Oh, I'm digging this, you guys. Oh, yeah. Take a look at this bad boy, you guys. Look at how wide this is in comparison to the old Logitech. Take a look at that just to put this into perspective, you guys. That's incredible. I may do a review on this thing later so you guys can get an idea of how good the sound quality and the lens is. It's definitely got a much bigger lens than my old C920, so it's probably got better widescreen on it to be able to catch things from left to right. I see it's got a little hole here, if you guys can see that. There we go. Little microphone hole here. I wonder if this moves. OMG, you guys, it actually moves. This thing actually has an adjustable manual focus on it. That is actually impressive. I've not actually seen that before on a webcam. I mean, obviously I've seen that on cameras like my Canon M50 that you guys see me do our other high quality videos on and stuff like that, but I've never actually seen one that has a manual lens adjuster. It looks like a mount here, so you could actually mount this onto something like a stand like I'm using right now for my cell phone to record this. And not only does it have a mount, it has your typical bumpers. Let me get up it close so you guys can see this. It's got your typical bumpers here so that you can sit this over top of a laptop and basically be able to, have it sitting on your laptop, which is usually the way that I do video conferences and things like that. You know what? Before we end this video, I'll actually show you guys. We'll take a look and we'll see what it actually looks like that. How about that? As you can see, this thing is USB. It's got a lot of cable access here. I'm impressed with that. My old C920 doesn't even have this much cable access. So if you're using a desktop or a laptop, it looks like you'll have plenty. This thing looks like it's probably 6 foot long. So you'll have plenty, length there to be able to get to and fro where you need to go from USB connection to your actual webcam. I'm really impressed with this, you guys. For the low price of literally like approximately 50 bucks, you can't beat this. It's lightweight. It has the ability to mount onto a tripod like what I'm using right now to do this video with my cell phone. But it also has the standard clip like you see on any good webcam for video conferencing that can clip onto your computer so that you can be on a web conference and still stay productive, and move around, check emails, things like that, and stay on top of whatever you and your folks in your meeting are talking about. So again, this webcam is exclusive from Voip Supply. You cannot get this anywhere else. Voip Supply contacted me directly and said, "Hey Prince, there's a huge shortage with webcams, US nationwide, probably worldwide. We have partnered up directly with the manufacturer and we have had a branded 1080p full HD webcam made at not only our specifications, but the most important thing that they stressed to me, which is why they sent me 2 of these for free to review. They specifically said that they purposefully priced this so that people could get webcams at a good price. Because if you guys just check other sources online, there's a lot of price gouging going out there right now, you guys. So anyways, there you have it. Full 1080p HD. If I can get this box to close. Full 1080p HD webcam from Voip Supply. I am going to put a link to this thing below this video. Don't forget, this thing is only about 50 bucks, but don't forget, you guys can also use the 5% off coupon code. This is a steal, you guys. If you need a good, inexpensive, quality webcam to be able to work with your teleconferences, your video meetings, your virtual conferences and meetings, this is the way to go, you guys. Thanks again for watching. Again, shameless plug for Voip Supply. They're your best bet for all things, voice over IP hardware, accessories, and also now video cameras. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel. Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, your go-to guy for the best deals on business, phone, and internet service in the United States. As always, I'll catch you guys again in the next video.